The GR Supra A91 MT and the 45th anniversary edition draw heavily from the Supra heritage, paying homage to the iconic Mk4 Supra. Toyota resurrected the manual transmission and introduced striking visual cues like the Mekon Blast orange paint, matte black graphics, and the manually adjustable rear wing. These touches are a clear signal. This is a Supra designed for enthusiasts eager to connect emotionally to its past. The A91 MT was built as a finite run of 500 units, launching in 2022 as the first GR Supra model with a 6-speed manual gearbox. Later, the 45th anniversary edition hit with 900 units, featuring exclusive colors, Mekon Blast Orange and Absolute Zero White, side stripes, and a functional manual wing. These limited numbers enhance prestige and collectability, as noted in Toyota and industry sources. IGN and styling visually, these Supras stand out. The A91 MT is defined by its matte white or see you later gray finish, red GR strut brace, cognac tan interior, and frozen gunmetal wheels. The next iteration, the 45th anniversary, ups the ante, matte black 19-inch wheels, black side panel graphics featuring the Supra logo, and sculpted orange or white paint evoke the spirit of fast and furious tuner culture. Powertrain and transmissions. At the heart is the 3.0-liter turbocharged BMW-sourced B58 inline-six, delivering around 335 horsepower and 495 Nm of torque in US spec. Performance comes via a 6-speed manual gearbox, a rare offering. Enthusiasts love the mechanical linkages, crisp shifts, the clutch's feel, and the hydraulic throw, which together reconnect driver and machine. 5. Driving dynamics. The A91 MT's manual transmission isn't just for show, it enhances dynamics significantly. Careful synergy between gearbox, throttle calibration, and rev match downshifts gives the car exceptional driver engagement. The video review emphasizes that the manual setup makes you feel every shift, not just through feedback, but through orchestration of RPM and torque delivery, great for track use and spirited canyon drives alike. Handling and chassis. Rooted in a BMW-derived platform, but tweaked by Toyota GR Racing, the GR Supra's chassis is supple yet taut. The manual editions have near-perfect 50/50 weight distribution, thanks to a rear-drive layout and mid-front engine placement. Stiffer suspension and the adjustable wing add underbody balance, which reviewers note sharpens high-speed stability and turn-in without sacrificing comfort. One of the most unique features of the 45th anniversary model is its manually adjustable rear wing. Drivers can raise it about 3 inches and set the angle manually to tune downforce. Reviewers note this allows real-time aerodynamic adjustment, useful on track for added grip or on the street for reduced drag. The tactile wing control further enhances the analog charm. Inside, the A91 MT brings a tailored cabin. Cognac tan leather seats with red or blue stitching echo the exterior. Alcantara inserts on the steering wheel and dash add sportiness. The 45th anniversary also integrates black leather/Alcantara with matching accents. The overall layout is driver-focused. Seats hold you tight in corners, while manual gearshift feels premium. While analog at heart, the Supra doesn't lack modern tech. Buyers get an 8.8-inch touchscreen, dual-zone climate control, keyless entry, heated seats, and an optional JBL audio upgrade. However, some reviewers mention infotainment lags behind segment leaders like BMW's iDrive, yet its simplicity suits those prioritizing focus over flashy gadgets. Despite its manual focus, performance remains strong. The 0 to 60 miles per hour time hovers around 4.1 seconds, only slightly behind the automatic's 3.9-second run. Top speed remains electronically limited to 249 km per hour, 155 miles per hour, matching the auto model. But the real gain comes in driving feel. Manual enthusiasts prefer connection over split-second times. At launch, the A91 MT retailed around US $65,000, while the 45th anniversary lands near $73,075. That's a premium over the automatic Supra, approximate $55,000, But placements in collections or among trackday collections are justified by rarity and experience. As time passes, limited numbers may push resale and enthusiast value upward. Verdict: analog soul in a modern shell. The GR Supra A91 MT and 45th Anniversary Edition bridge past and future, with manual engagement, heritage styling, and aggressive dynamics. They are not about raw lap times, but about feel. The analog touches, manual wing adjustment, gear shift, clutch weight, resonate deeply with purists. Both the video's on-track footage and commentary highlight that this Supra reminds you that driving can be emotional, not just transactional. Conclusion: in essence, Toyota's limited-run manual Supras are statement cars. They reinforce the brand's dedication to driving purity. Whether you lean toward the subtle yet tactile A91 MT or the showpiece 45th Anniversary, both offer visceral thrill wrapped in a storied badge. The video review underscores the manual's soul, transforming the GR Supra from a killer machine into a connected companion. For enthusiasts craving engagement and exclusivity, these are among the final sentinels of pure mechanical joy in modern sports cars.